Oh my god, Nerf gun battle going on at the lot, dude. Hey, that Nerf war though, bro.
Had to come in hot, bro. You niggas trying to get me, bro. Yo, I like the new bike, bro.
Dude, isn't that clean?
Way better like that.
Bro, especially for thumbnails, this just pops.
Way better. It's all new graphics. And,
all new, yeah.
like a weed. I have to make sure.
Does no one notice Snake, bro, on his... He be riding with it.
It's gonna be cold. It be chilling.
That's crazy, dude.
Yo, here. Nope. Kickstart.
Bro, you got no electric start?
Well, even the 2022s don't have electric start. Can I see it?
Yeah, dude. Be careful on her.
It's still running race gas?
No.
You changed it? Oh, you can't start it?
Crazy. We got Braap on my YZ, bro. Yeah. Bro, that new YZ, like, seeing someone else ride it, it's woo, nice clean. At home. Not yet.
Hey, this feels like the old me, bro.
How you like it?
Love it, bro.
Bro, it's a vibe.
Ride's so good.
Thank you. But check this thing out. You cannot tell me this doesn't look flippin' beauty. I mean, bro, like, we got the 2022 YZ450 right here. As you guys know, it's actually a 2020 YZ, but I had to get the 2022 graphics. Got Homie Ripper right there. I had to get the 2022 graphics because the 2021, it's like black, and I already have black wheels on the bike. So I was like, the 2022 graphics with like the white YZ lettering looks so good. So, oh my god, I'm excited, bro. As you can tell, we're at the lot. We got some riders behind me. Yeah, we're gonna hop on the bike, shred it around, see what it's freaking capable of. But like, the blue, there's just something about the Yamaha blue that just hits the heart. We got that fresh Yamaha blue. Y'all know the vibe, bro. Let's go. Bro, just look at the Subi with the beautiful YZ. Oh boy, oh boy, oh my god. Before you guys say anything, I know it's a 2020 YZ, but the 2022 graphics, they look so much better in my opinion, so that's why I had to go for that. Made that turn, boy. The new graphics making me better, bro, I swear. And look how nice it looks, like the blue. Like, I'll lean back a little so y'all can see. Like, bro, that blue be hitting. Yeah, I don't know if it's that new graphics or what, bro, but them boys hitting, dog. Shee! Oh! Look how a little sketchy right there. He still got that, though. Yes, sir. Bro. Woo! You crazy, dude. Hey, when you're doing the stand-up, what gear? Second?
First and second.
First and second.
Hey.
You gotta be, I know. It's crazy. Bro, what? See, I need to learn that. He's so slow with it. Crazy. What the hell? He's so slow. We got Jamboro about to shred the new 2020 YZ.
Alright, let's go.
Be safe on her. I'm always so scared to let people ride my bike because you just never know like what's gonna happen. How's it feel?
Certified. Certified hitter.
I was saying, you're shredding it better than I am.
Yeah, she feels nice, man.
This is an 18, right?
Yeah.
18?
You'll see the difference between a 20.
2020 and 18, alright.
You'll see the difference.
Damn, your clutch feels good. I like that. So yeah, the 2018 450, to be honest, I feel like a little difference, but not too crazy. I like your bike, bro. Yeah, it's like,
that's what I just said too. You like the way it floats too.
if it really floats when you're like going back to 12.
I don't know what it is, man. I like the way this bike feels.
No, it feels good, yeah.
Here, I don't know. Like, don't get me wrong, I like the way the 19s, 20, and 21s feel, because they got the feel the pep more than pep.
Uh-huh. I'm gonna have to get an 18. Just kidding. Whew, back at the Scooby. The plastics are looking magnificent. So what I was saying was earlier, putting on these graphics, I use the soapy water method where you spray soapy water, then put it on, and then with the heater. I really think that's the best way to put on graphics, especially if you're a newbie like me and you suck at putting on vinyls. As you can see, there's like barely any bubbles. I don't know how I did it. It was pretty easy because it was 2 pieces. If this was 1 piece, I would have been screwed. But yeah, dude, I'm freaking so stoked with the YZ. It's really got my heart. And we got the homie out here, freaking Jamboro, teaching me how to do stand-ups like a boss. What?
That's your bike?
It's my bike. I just got new graphics and plastics.
Oh, you had this bike before?
This is a 450. I just got it like 3 weeks ago.
I actually seen the black one though.
Yeah, it's the same one.
Oh, you changed all the plastics?
Yeah. I wanted the Yamaha blue, and it pops better for video. I got the tires. I bought them. I just haven't put them on yet. That's why I want to ride it to see like how I like the Shinkos. Alright, we're on a Kawasaki 450. Oh, I need this too. I need to get a grippy seat. Alright, we're on a KX 450 now. KX450 be hitting, I ain't gonna lie, dude. It's so weird coming from my YZ to like a KX, because the YZ is such a powerful, smooth bike, but the KX450, like, it's powerful, but it ain't the smoothest. Alrighty gang, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Shout out my new plastics, bro. It just completely changed the whole look of the bike, and I'm completely in love with it. Oh, they got a push starter. Remember to stay motivated. We have merch in the description down below. Till next time, peace.